Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
Hi, this time round, we are going to discuss a few multiple choice questions for elasticity concept. Okay, now the first question here is they say which elasticity value indicate that cars are normal goods and that petrol is a complement to car. Okay, now before we choose any answer, the best way to ensure that our answer is correct is we outline whatever information that we understand or we know. Okay. Now, for example, if you are to distinguish whether a product is normal or inferior, you are using the concept of income elasticity of demand. Then next, you need to ask yourself, when income rises, your demand for normal goods will rise or will fall. Okay, normal goods demand usually will rise when income rises. Okay, and now you confirm that where income and demand move in the same direction, then YED is supposed to be positive. As what we have learned before, positive or negative sign is basically showing you the relationship between the two variables. Okay, so now normal goods income rises, demand rises, YED is positive. The answer is either C or D. And next, petrol is a complement to car. Okay, now complement, another term for it is joint demand. Two things are jointly demanded. Two things are used together. And now, for XCD, in order to track whether complement is a positive or negative XCD, we can start from outlining the formula for XCD. So for XCD, the formula is percentage change in quantity of petrol, okay, over percentage change in price of cars, okay. Then we try to quote one example, okay. When price of car rises, demand for car will fall, right? When demand for car fall, demand for petrol will fall because less people driving car, less people demanding for petrol. Then we link these two products together. So one rise, one fall. Therefore, XCD is negative, showing complement. Then the answer is C. It's just that simple.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.